Welcome, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable child lock on your Panasonic TV. So first of all we have to click menu button on our remote control. Next we have to simply go for the setup. Then scroll down and under the Bluetooth setup you can find child lock. So click OK to open these options. When you open it for the first time, you have to input your new PIN code. In my case, I'm gonna set very simple 1, 1 and 1. Let's make it again. So we have to confirm with the same PIN code. As you can see right now, we successfully set it up. And here we can also change this PIN if you want to get a little bit harder. And there's also the child lock on the TV programs. So if you want to set lock on any of the program, like for example we can go for the second one, and as you can see right now on the right side there's the lock. Let's make the same for the program number 3, and let's go back and let's take a look if it is working right now. So right now I'm on TV and let's select the second program, and as you can see the child lock is activated. So we have to press OK to open this program. And as you can see, after input 4 times 1, my PIN code, it's working. When you go for the third program, it's also working because we previously input this child code. If you want to deactivate this option, just click on the menu button one more time on your remote control, go for the setup like previously, then go for the child lock, input your currently PIN code. Let's make it one more time because I just misclick. Okay, and if you want to unlock these programs, just go for it another time and then just click OK, and we will remove this lock as you can see. Then we can just go back, and here we can also change this PIN code. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.